How bowling balls are made. Balls. So this is exciting because I'm a baller. That's a dream come true. I like the pink ball. The one with the flames. That looks like it has the flames. Ooh, okay, here we go. We're starting out with a liquid substance and powder and a very fine powder and then another powder. So it's all about the powder. Ooh, so this is a mold getting some chocolate put into it. It looks kind of rubbery. Oh, I bet this is like the middle part. Is it? Ooh, these binder clips. Oh, white substance. Oh, I bet it's a rubbery substance. Obviously, because it's not cracking under pressure. Oh, what's happening? Oh, it gets into a bigger one with bigger binder clips. Oh, pretty color. That's yellow. Fill her up. Nice. Blue balls. We're going to get rid of the thing, right? Is that what's happening? That little tip thing right there? Yep. Wonder if they recycle that. Reminds me of when I used to do epoxy projects. She's so shiny. Oh, yeah. I got you. Oh, man. This makes me want to buy a new bowling ball. This is amazing. Logo it. Do it. Watch. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh my gosh. I need this every Sunday before I bowl.